The dangerous freeze is slamming the Midwest with weather cold enough to kill.
It is treacherous.
From Chicago to Sioux Falls and so many points in between, wind chill temperatures are forecast to plunge to 30, 40, 50, and even 60 below zero.
If it's not something you absolutely need, we would advise to stay home for your safety and those that are out and about having to be out in the weather.
In downtown Duluth, Minnesota, where wind chills hit 30 to 50 below on Tuesday, city workers gave out hand warmers.
It's going to be brutal tonight.
This is just really cold.
Duluth mail carrier Dave Mayu says in weather like this, he wears several pairs of gloves, pants, and hats. The Postal Service has suspended Wednesday mail delivery in several states, including Minnesota, because of the cold. Here in Chicago, residents are bracing for more wind chill and record-breaking lows where it will feel colder than parts of Antarctica. Across the city, Chicago city buses are being called into service as homeless shelters. Michigan State University canceled classes for Wednesday, as did countless school districts around the region. Heavy snow combined with wind and sub-zero temperatures are creating havoc on the roads. First responders in Fargo, North Dakota rushed to the scene of this weather-related accident. And ahead of Super Bowl Sunday,
for tens of millions, and it comes on the heels of a snowstorm that caused accidents across the Midwest today, including this one in La Crosse, Wisconsin. Over the next 48 hours, temperatures in some areas will drop to record-breaking lows with wind chills of more than 50 below zero. By Wednesday morning in Bemidji, Minnesota, it is expected to feel like 65 below. Dean Reynolds in Chicago begins our coverage.
This was not a good day for a drive just about anywhere in the Midwest. This happened near Milwaukee. In snowy Chicago, the river was freezing, the wind was Arctic, and pedestrians were bracing for worse. Mayor Rahm Emanuel.
While the snow may be ending, the cold is just starting.
Wind chills early Wednesday could fall to minus 55 here. For those keeping score at home, the average actual temperature on Mars is minus 80. Around the Midwest, flight cancellations mounted like drifts. Snowplows slithered sideways, and there was word of isolated weather-related fatalities. Michigan's capital was shuttered. The University of Notre Dame will close tomorrow, as will public schools as far south as Georgia and Alabama.
God bless you, sir. Have a great day.
Are you concerned that people are going to die here?
We are very concerned.
The wind in Chicago was picking up as Nancy Powers of the Salvation Army offered words of encouragement and more to people in need.
We offer them shelters, we offer them the warming centers, and we'll drive them there.